Hello, my name is Omari Anderson, and I'm the CEO, founder of the Best Dirty Lemonade, a premium infused still beverage. So for me, I don't think I really had a business prior to the BCB. If anything, I think I only had a hobby. We were making a beverage to help my mother and other folks. But it was getting involved in the BCB that really took my business to the next level. Because of them, I was able to meet other Black and brown business owners who look like me, who shared a passion in this space, and we've been able to network and really grow. Also, because of the BCB, I've been able to invest in other businesses because for me, it's important to make sure we all win in this cannabis industry. I'm thankful for the mentorship of Brandon and Todd, who both brought me under their wings and made sure my business got ready for prime time. We were ready to scale and take it to the next level. Now we have a deal on the table with a statewide distribution in Massachusetts, and I couldn't be happier. Would I recommend that people get involved in BCB? I absolutely would, right? It's gonna take a little bit of money to get to the city that is hosting it, but other than that, it's well worth the investment. I mean, it's a few hours a week, twice a week on Zoom, but the information that's shared, the people that you get to network with is invaluable.